This kills all fungal diseases on cucumbers and other plants. Fungal infections on cucumbers pose a serious threat to every garden because they spread incredibly fast and can destroy all your hard work in just a few days. Among them, powdery mildew and downy mildew are particularly notable, diseases well known to experienced gardeners. If not addressed in time, entire beds can fail and plants stop producing fruit. Powdery mildew is usually first noticed as a thin white layer on the surface of the leaves, resembling floury dust. Although it seems harmless, it is a fungus that chokes the plant by preventing photosynthesis. In a short period, leaves begin to yellow, lose moisture, dry out, and fall off. Fruits become small and hard, and their taste is affected. The disease most often appears when days are warm and nights are cool, while wind, insects, and remains of last year's plants further facilitate the spread of spores. Downy mildew is even more destructive because it develops in conditions of high humidity and when leaves stay wet for extended periods. Initially, yellowish spots appear, which quickly turn into dark, dry lesions and soon spread across the entire leaf surface. In severe cases, leaves literally burn, and the plant is left bare and stops growing. The most common carriers of downy mildew are raindrops, improper water on the leaves, and overcrowded planting that traps moisture for hours. Successfully controlling these diseases relies on quickly recognizing symptoms and applying natural remedies at the very beginning of the infection. If ignored, cucumbers quickly lose strength, stop producing new fruit, and the entire yield disappears. Prevention is therefore key. Gardeners should regularly aerate the beds, maintain adequate space in between plants, water only at the roots, and immediately remove any infected leaves. Additionally, occasional spraying with natural preparations that strengthen plant resistance is recommended, along with regular crop rotation each year to reduce pathogen buildup in the soil. Only a combination of proper care and timely measures can ensure healthy, lush, and productive cucumbers throughout the season. In 250 milliliters of hot water, add 1 tablespoon of horsetail tea, because it is rich in silicon, which strengthens the leaves and makes them more resistant to fungi. Regular spraying forms a protective layer that hinders disease development and spread. Furthermore, the tea acts preventively, helping the plant stay healthy and better tolerate stress caused by infection. Once the water has cooled slightly, add 100 milliliters of milk, which forms a thin protective layer on the leaves that hinders fungal growth. Proteins and bacteria from the milk release substances in light that destroy powdery mildew spores. Regular spraying with milk increases plant resistance and slows disease spread. Besides milk, you can also use other natural additives. The third ingredient is half a tablespoon of baking soda because it contains compounds that kill fungi and prevent their spread on the leaves. In addition to acting against powdery mildew, baking soda also helps deter many harmful insects, giving the plant double protection. Regular spraying with a mild solution keeps leaves healthier and more resistant to new infections. The final ingredient is half a tablespoon of garlic powder, which contains sulfur compounds with strong antifungal properties. When dissolved in water and sprayed on the leaves, it forms a protective layer that slows fungal growth. In addition, its strong smell repels many insects that transmit diseases, giving the plant double protection. Let everything sit for a few hours, then strain and dilute with another half-liter water. This yields about 1 liter of natural fungicide. Spray plants early in the morning or late at night every few days to protect them optimally. Friends, write in the comments which ingredients you use against powdery mildew so we can all learn something new. Thank you and best regards.